if you're short, you don't want to see this market get above some good selling. And this red iceberg is that selling. If it crosses back above it, chances are it's going to get bullish. And it's not just because it did in this case right there, it's because it generally does. And then it also crossed back north or above this red iceberg, and then some shorts gone in, and the laser is red. All those things are indicative of a pop. All right. And even this iceberg that comes in, if it were to get above there, it would have been bullish, but it stayed below it. And it had this as a magnet. And then when we finally went through it, it was predictable right there, because of all these longs that start to get in the lean on this order. So it's not just recognizing this iceberg, it's knowing what to do with it. Boom, right there with that white line inside the long position. Bam, we break. Now, here's what's interesting. It only breaks about 2 points through it. You don't know that at the time. What you do know with these tools is a bunch of longs puked. All right. You don't want to get above this sell pulse right there. And you don't want to get above this iceberg if you're short. I told people at the time, you better take some profits in here because I don't like all this red. All right. And I don't like if we cross back through the iceberg, you can't remain short. And if you're anticipating what it could do, when it does do it, you're not surprised. The laser went red, which is bullish. All this red in here, which is bullish, this white in here, all the things were for that pop to happen and continue. So let's not get surprised. Important part about trading is asking the right questions. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Everybody's looking for the right answers. BS. Look for the right questions to ask. You'll find the right answers. Too many people in their goal just to look for the right answers are asking all the wrong questions. And that's what leads to rabbit hole after rabbit hole.